Well, today is a new day. Welcome to the vlog. We've had a busy morning. What have we done this morning? Oh, well, we did a lot of teaching, learning about Christian Endeavor, learning about leadership, and now we are headed up the mountain. So 2 years ago, Dave Coryell and Mark and I climbed this mountain, and it was pretty fun. So we're gonna do it again today. This is the mountain that I remember. It is gorgeous up here. Gorgeous view over the castle, the Conway Castle right behind me, and then over the harbor. Headed back down into the valley. We'll have a view of the castle here in a moment. Well, I think on this half-an-hour walk, I have at least changed my clothes 4 or 5 times, adding layers, taking layers away. Check out these cool rocks behind me. This is the last view of the mountain I'm gonna get before I head back down into the tree line. Okay, we're headed through the gate. That is a wrap on the hike. Well, that's a wrap on today's vlog. It has been a great day here in Conway, Wales. I'm ending the vlog here on a positive, sunny, beautiful note. So we're here at the Christian Endeavor Holiday Center in Conway, Wales, Northern Wales. And here at the Holiday Center, they have a Kong, and you're supposed to hit the Kong when it's time to eat. So we are about to eat dinner, so I'm gonna hit the Kong. Are you ready? Are you ready?